Good morning, everyone. I am Simpy. Welcome to EVS class. In the previous class, we participated in activity Correct Me If I Am Wrong. I gave you the link of that activity. Have you done practice? Yes, it's good. Without further ado, let's get started. The further discussion. Now, I'm going to narrate a story for you. There was a boy. His name was Sahil. He always kept his room untidy. He didn't keep his things at their proper places. His mother always said him to keep your room clean and keep your things at their proper places. He ignored her advice. One day, his father bought a new dress for him to attend a birthday party of his friend. He kept his dress. Next day, in the evening, he had to go to the birthday party, but he didn't find his dress in his room. His room was so messy. He got tired, but he didn't find. Then his mother came and said, "You don't keep your room clean. Your things are not kept at their right places." Sahil says, "Yes, Mama, that's why I haven't found my dress. From today onwards, I'll keep my things at their right places. I'll keep my room neat and clean, right?" "I will, Mama, yes." His mother says, "I have a new dress for you. Don't worry, don't be sad. Wear that dress. Go to the birthday party and enjoy it." Sahil went to the birthday party and enjoyed over there. Now tell me, students, what have you learned from this chapter? Tell me, what have you learned? That we should keep our houses and surroundings clean. Now we have completed all the topics of this chapter: hard words, exercise and question answers. Now tell me, what have you learned in this chapter? We have learned that how do we keep our houses neat and clean. We should keep our houses and surroundings neat and clean. We have learnt about the various types of houses, right? Now I want to ask some questions to you. I gave you assignment that you have to learn the hard words. Have you learned? Yes? It's good. Then be ready. Welcome to the activity section. This is hot seat activity. Now all of you are on the hot seat. I'll show you some pictures and then you have to guess that what word is it. Right? Now all of you look at this picture. Tell me what word is it. First letter is C. There are 11 letters. Tell me what word is it? Cleanliness. This word is cleanliness, right? Because it shows the cleanliness. So you can guess that this word is cleanliness, right? Now come on the next question. Now all of you look at this picture. Tell me what word is it? Guess that what word is it? First letter is D. There are 13 letters. This word is disinfectants, right? Now all of you got it, that what word is it? See, you can see in the picture that there are chemicals that are used to kill germs. So this word is disinfectants, right? Now come on the next question. All of you look at this picture. What word is it? First letter is R and there are 10 letters in this word. First letter is R of this word. What word is it? This is repellents, right? We use repellents to kill the pests, right? All of you got it? What word is it? Now come on the next question. Tell me what word is it? Look at this picture, guess. First letter is P and there are 5 letters. This is pests, and pests are very harmful for animals and plants. Right? Now come on the next question. Look at this picture. Tell me what word is it? First letter is B. There are 6 letters. This word is barrel, large round container, right? How many letters are there? 6 letters and first letter is B. So this word is right. We can guess it that this is barrel, right? This word is barrel. Now come on the next question. Guess what word is it? Look at this picture. Tell me what word is it? Germs. First letter is G and there are 5 letters in this word. This word is germs, right? Disease causing microorganisms, right? Now come on the next question. Tell me what word is it? First letter is D of this word and there are 7 letters. Tell me what word is it? This is dustbin, right? We throw the garbage in the dustbin. See, D is the first letter and there are 7 letters in this word. Right? Now come on the next question. Tell me, what word is it? What will you guess about the word? See, first letter is D and there are 7 letters. And last letter is E. First letter is D. Last letter is E of this word and there are 7 letters in this word. Guess what word is it? This is disease, right? This word is disease, an abnormal condition of a human, animal or plant that causes discomfort, right? Now come on the next question. Guess what word is it? First letter is H and there are 5 letters. This word is house. We live in a house. Right? Now come on the next question. Tell me what word is it? First letter is T and there are 7 letters in this word. Guess what word is it? This is a Toda hut, right? And Toda hut is usually found in the state of Tamil Nadu, right? Toda hut. Now we have done this one. Congratulations. Have you enjoyed? Yes, it's good. And I'll also give you the link of this activity. You can do the practice of this one, and it will be very helpful for you to learn the meaning of the hard words, to clear all the concepts of the chapter, right? And listen, there is one announcement for you that I'll take your assessment of this chapter 5 on Friday. So your assessment will be on Friday of chapter 5. Write down. Assessment will be on Friday, right? Be ready for that one. On Friday, I'll take your assessment of this chapter 5, right? What you have to do for this one? First, you have to read the chapter, learn the exercise, question answer, hard words, and perform all the activities, whatever you have done in this chapter, and watch all the videos of this chapter properly and clear all the concepts of this chapter properly. And be ready for that one, right? Now it's time to wrap up the session. Thank you. See you in the next class.